In 2025, mental health is more important than ever. If you're feeling overwhelmed, these 5 simple daily habits can help. You feel more balanced, calm, and in control. Morning journaling. Start each day by writing down your thoughts and feelings. Just 5 minutes of free writing can help you release stress, gain clarity, and set a positive tone for your day. Limit screen time. Set clear boundaries with your phone and social media. Even 30 minutes less per day reduces anxiety and improves focus. Use apps to monitor your usage if needed. Move daily. You don't need an intense workout. Just 20 minutes of walking, stretching, or light yoga can release endorphins and lower cortisol levels. Deep breathing breaks. Take a few minutes during the day to pause and breathe deeply. Try 4-7-8, breathing to instantly calm your mind and body. Practice gratitude. Each night, write down 3 things you're grateful for. This simple habit can rewire your brain to focus on the positive and improve your emotional resilience. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.